Quick reading for fire signs, December the 28th to December the 31st. Bakit December 28 to 31st? Yun lang, yung natitirang araw, no? Sasagarin na natin hanggang 31st. Um, there's something about here na you wanted to actually get out of. It could be getting out of, sabihin nating kahirapan, getting out of the relationship, getting out or cutting off a person, and it felt like very successful. Pwede ring getting out of yung pagkawala ng trabaho, no? This is something about general kasi we're wishing no, with the magician, we're wishing to remove something with the five of pentacles. And it felt like you're going to achieve this with the star na medyo sinasabi natin, tama nga naman yung aking, hinala or tama ang aking gusto na kapag nawala ito mas lalong gagaan or maggagaang na yung buhay ko or makakausad na ako 'no. So this is your quick reading for December the 28th to the 31st, fire signs.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars